The country's strategic location makes it a transshipment point for illegal drugs to other countries. That's why for officials of the Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, the street value of shabu in the Philippines is cheaper compared to regional neighbors. Chinese, Mexican, and African drug groups are battling for supremacy in the lucrative Philippine market. With President Rodrigo Duterte closely watching the progress of the war on illegal drugs, the PIDEA is under intense pressure. The agency is now urging Congress to triple their intelligence funds from 73 to 250 million pesos for 2017. This will hike PIDEA's proposed budget from 1.2 billion to a little less than 1.4 billion pesos.
We wanted to double or triple our efforts in our campaign against illegal drugs.
PIDEA says it will use the funds for more operations, from case build-up to execution of arrest and seizures. The agency's request, however, will not be granted without some questioning from lawmakers. About 3 out of 4 drug-related cases filed by PIDEA are either dismissed or acquitted. Among the reasons, either non-appearance of the witness or irregularities in the arrest, search, and seizure.
I think you will find many policemen who keeps on apprehending drug pushers. And these drug pushers are being dismissed by the court.
PIDEA replies if they're given more funds, they can also improve the skills of their agents in handling evidence. They're also requesting the amendment of the anti-wiretapping law to allow their operatives to use digital communication interceptors. This will allow them to further crack down on so-called high-value targets and international drug groups. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.